For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Supermodel and celebrity chef Padma Lakshmi has reacted on the latest attacks on immigrants. Padma Lakshmi has watched in anger as some politicians denigrate immigrants. She has been left seething as newcomers are discriminated against or targeted. So, she has responded with something she knows quite a lot about, which is food. Padma specifically mentioned cuisine made by immigrants. I am an immigrant and I was just disgusted the way immigrants had been used as a pawn for political gain and been discriminated against so grossly by this administration. I guess this show is my rebuttal to that. Padma Lakshmi has created many cooking shows and documentaries in the past. She is an Indian American who came to America when she was 4. She says that she wants to explore who immigrants are through the food they eat. I want to explore who we are through the food we eat, what makes us American. Padma Lakshmi opened up about discussing racism with her 10-year-old biracial daughter Krishna. The celebrity chef also revealed that her daughter has accompanied her to a few rallies too.
This is a subject that we have talked about all through her childhood. She is a biracial child. She's also someone who's traveled extensively with me, not only domestically but internationally. So she is very aware of these issues of inequality. Also, because of my work with the ACLU, I've been able to take her to rallies.
Lakshmi also said that she exposes her daughter to social themes in an age-appropriate way. Lakshmi took to Twitter and lashed out at a section of people targeting immigrants. I was upset with everybody else trying to tell the immigrant experience except the immigrant. Whether it was politicians or journalists, I wanted them to tell us what they thought and what their life experience was. There's discussion on immigration, global warming, massacres, cultural stereotypes, and racism. Over the last few weeks, there has been a lot of unrest in USA with racial attacks. The latest being on African American George Floyd, who was killed in police custody. There were widespread anti-racism protests not only in USA but all over the world. Police brutality and racial attacks have occurred around the world for many years. Justice has not been served yet for many of the victims who have lost their lives. Padma Lakshmi has certainly come forward and voiced her concern at this crucial juncture. One hopes that immigrants and other minorities are treated equally.